everyone, it's SM! Today we're making 3 amazing homemade milkshakes. Classic chocolate, strawberry banana, and cookies and cream. These recipes are super simple, fun, and perfect for any occasion. Grab your blender and favorite ice cream. Let's dive right in. First up, the classic chocolate milkshake. Let's kick things off with a treat that never goes out of style and always brings a smile to your face. Whether you're craving something sweet after dinner, looking for a nostalgic snack, or just want to cool off on a warm day, the classic chocolate milkshake is the answer. It's creamy, chocolatey, and oh so satisfying, perfect for all ages and any occasion. Today, we're making the classic chocolate milkshake, a timeless favorite that's been loved for generations. Imagine yourself in a retro diner, jukebox playing in the background, and a frosty glass of chocolatey goodness in your hand. That's the vibe we're going for. Start by grabbing your blender and adding 3 big, generous scoops of vanilla ice cream. The ice cream is the heart of your milkshake, so don't be shy. Make sure each scoop is nice and full. The creamier the ice cream, the richer your shake will be. Next, pour in half a cup of cold milk. This helps everything blend together smoothly and gives your shake that perfect, sippable texture. Now, for the star of the show, chocolate syrup. Drizzle in a generous amount, about 2 to 3 tablespoons or more if you love it extra chocolatey. The syrup swirls through the ice cream, creating that classic chocolate flavor we all know and love. Pop the lid on your blender and blend everything together until it's smooth, thick, and creamy. Keep an eye on the texture. You want it to be thick enough to hold a straw, but not so thick you can't sip it. Don't overblend, or your shake might get too runny. Just a few pulses should do the trick. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, pour it into a tall, chilled glass. For that classic touch, top it off with a big swirl of whipped cream. And of course, don't forget the cherry on top. It's the finishing touch that makes every milkshake feel special. If you want to take your milkshake to the next level, sprinkle on some chocolate sprinkles or add an extra drizzle of chocolate syrup over the whipped cream. These little extras add a fun crunch and even more chocolatey goodness. And there you have it, your very own classic chocolate milkshake. It's simple, it's classic, and it's totally delicious. Perfect for sharing with friends or enjoying all by yourself. Now that you've mastered the classic, are you ready to try something fruity and fun? Up next, we'll whip up a strawberry banana milkshake that's just as easy and even more refreshing. Get ready for a burst of fruity freshness. Today, we're making a classic favorite with a playful twist, the strawberry banana milkshake. Start by grabbing one perfectly ripe banana. The riper, the better, because it'll add natural sweetness and a creamy texture to your shake. Peel the banana and drop it right into your blender, letting it be the base of our delicious creation. Next, gather a generous cup of fresh strawberries. If you want your milkshake extra sweet, you can use ripe, in-season berries or even frozen ones for a thicker texture. Toss them in with the banana and watch the colors start to pop. This is where the magic begins. Now, it's time for the creamy goodness. Add 3 big scoops of vanilla ice cream. This not only makes your milkshake rich and smooth, but also gives it that classic, irresistible flavor. If you like things a little lighter, you can swap in frozen yogurt or even a dairy-free alternative. Pour in a splash of cold milk, about half a cup to start. You can always add more if you want a thinner shake, or keep it thick and spoonable. The milk helps everything blend together into a silky, dreamy drink. Secure the lid and blend everything up until it's completely smooth and turns a beautiful, creamy pink. Take a moment to enjoy the sweet aroma as the blender works its magic. Once it's ready, pour your milkshake into a tall glass. Watch that gorgeous color swirl. For the finishing touch, swirl a generous cloud of whipped cream on top. This adds a light, fluffy layer that makes every sip feel extra special. You can use store-bought or homemade. Either way, it's the perfect topping. Don't forget to garnish with a fresh strawberry slice on the rim of your glass. It's a simple detail, but it makes your milkshake look as good as it tastes, adding a pop of color and a hint of elegance. And there you have it, a sweet, creamy, and totally refreshing strawberry banana milkshake. It's the perfect treat for a sunny afternoon, a quick breakfast, or even a fun dessert to share with friends and family. Ready to take things up a notch? Stick around because next we're diving into a decadent cookies and cream milkshake that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Last up, we're diving into the ultimate treat, an absolutely irresistible cookies and cream milkshake. If you're a fan of classic chocolate sandwich cookies and creamy vanilla ice cream, this is the dessert you've been waiting for. Imagine the perfect blend of crunchy cookies, smooth ice cream, and a touch of milk, all coming together in one frosty, dreamy glass. Whether you're making this for a special occasion, a family movie night, or just to satisfy a sudden sweet craving, this milkshake is guaranteed to hit the spot and put a smile on your face. Start by breaking up 4 chocolate sandwich cookies into chunky pieces and dropping them into your blender. Don't worry about making them too small. Those bigger bits will give your milkshake that signature cookies and cream texture we all love. The aroma of those cookies alone is enough to make your mouth water. Next, add 3 generous scoops of rich velvety vanilla ice cream. The creaminess of the ice cream is what makes this milkshake so decadent and satisfying. Pour in a 1/4 cup of cold milk to help everything blend together smoothly. If you like your milkshake extra thick, you can use a little less milk or add a splash more for a lighter, sippable treat. Blend everything together just until combined. You want to see those cookie bits swirling around, not completely pulverized. The magic of a great cookies and cream milkshake is in those little chunks of cookie that surprise you with every sip. Don't overblend, just a few pulses will do the trick. For an extra layer of crunch and flavor, stir in 2 more cookies that you've roughly crushed by hand or with a rolling pin. Gently fold these into the milkshake with a spatula so you get pockets of cookie goodness throughout. This step takes your milkshake from good to unforgettable. Now, pour your thick, speckled milkshake into a tall, chilled glass. For a fun twist, you can even dip the rim of your glass in cookie crumbs before pouring. Top it all off with a generous swirl of whipped cream, and don't forget to sprinkle on a few more cookie crumbs for that extra wow factor. For the finishing touch, gently press a whole chocolate sandwich cookie into the whipped cream as a playful garnish. If you're feeling extra fancy, add a drizzle of chocolate syrup or a striped straw for that classic milkshake shop look. Take a moment to admire your creation. Thick, creamy, and absolutely packed with cookie goodness. Every sip is a delightful mix of smooth ice cream and crunchy cookie bits, making this milkshake pure dessert bliss in a glass. This one's for all the cookie lovers out there. Whether you're sharing with friends or treating yourself, the cookies and cream milkshake is a celebration in every sip. Thanks for joining us. Now go enjoy your delicious masterpiece. And there you have it! 3 easy, delicious milkshakes. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun recipes. Thanks for watching and spending time with me in the kitchen. Stay sweet and see you next time.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.